It's on now.
You're the dumbass, not me.
Okay, redo that. Let's redo that whole scene, you guys.
I don't even know why you. Yeah, that didn't happen. I don't even know why you even filmed it.
He's a one-take guy.
That's it. One and done.
He said, "Don't want to spy on me all night."
See, lights on.
I'm boring.
Red's on.
Yeah. Timer's going.
What are you reading there?
1250cc conversion kit for Sportster models.
That'll fit right on your FXR.
I'm just looking at the valve covers on.
Oh, that'll fit right on there.
They want $1,000 almost for SNS valve cover.
Well, you know, some people will pay that kind of money. There's a lot of stupid people out there. People with money out there.
Where's those heads at you got too, Keen? They worth it or no?
You got squad here.
CNC poured cylinder head.
What do you think it says? You think this is Tasting Machine North here?
You told me something about
Yeah.
I got some SNS heads up there. 117 twin cam.
No.
No.
Evo. Look for things with
Evo. Got some cams over here. Twin cam. You want
You
those?
have some you want to get rid of, I'm sure by now.
I don't know.
Evos are going.
What do you got over there? What are you reading? That's twin cam shit. I can see the red. Or I mean blue. That's blue.
I'm trying to get to the Evo stuff.
Or is it M8? Evos are obsolete bikes now. You have to go in a heritage book.
Really?
The vintage catalog.
They don't even do them anymore, huh?
Evo is vintage.
What are those 3 boxes? Those will say Evo on it.
What? Which ones?
There, next to the twin cam boxes.
You mean those orange Harley Davidson boxes up there?
No.
Those ones?
Nope.
The ones below them?
Not no Screaming Eagle. Those
Screaming Turd?
boxes.
You mean those ones
Those
way over
3,
there?
yeah.
Those have valves in there.
The valves?
Yeah,
We need springs.
they'll just have valves in there if you want valves. Those are Manly valves. You like Manly?
I have my race car. No,
You're in charge of filming.
not man.
Let's see it.
You want Manly valves? Are you a man? Do you take Manly parts? You want twin cam or Evo?
Evo.
Are you a budget performance type guy?
I'm probably doing nothing here for fucking evolutions.
I told you, I've been a vintage catalog. There's a budget performance.
That's a vintage.
Budget.
What is that? Chinese stuff? Custom chrome? Man, we used to laugh at that place.
Product of United States.
Yeah. Oh, there's a whole spring set, huh?
There you
Valve
go.
springs.
Is that made in Taiwan?
There's USA.
Oh, USA. I heard that place.
Evo Big Twin
Look at them
and
springs.
twin
Look at
cam.
them fucking springs, man. They're massive.
Big springs, there you go.
Yeah, this is it.
On the seat. How much tension you want, Joe?
Manly.
How much what?
How much tension you want?
Enough to where they don't float or don't hit. What do you say? They hit the seals?
Hit the rev limiter?
As long as they don't hit the seals, then I'm happy.
Hit the seal.
Valve seals.
Valve seals.
Where's the vintage SNS catalog at? You don't have it?
It's up there somewhere.
SNS late model. SNS vintage.
That's vintage.
Very-
Vintage SNS.
Very thin.
Very thin. That's because they don't stock anything anymore. I think I got more inventory than they got.
Okay, performance parts.
Budget performance.
52.
Performance.
Budget performance.
Budget performance. Yeah, who put this inventory up here? We can't find squad anywhere.
I don't know.
There's some evil rock arms. That's what he needs. There's a big cam. Put that one in there. Joe wants to go fast.
$1,012.95 for valve cover.
Alright, how about that one, Joe?
Rocket box, yeah. Huh? What is that? Another can?
Ooh. Cam.
You want to go fast? Big port heads?
Now you're getting up there.
Really, just you know, remember we were trying to like save money, so if it was not better, I would be better off buying a brand new 120 instead of putting too much money into this motor.
I don't know anything about that. Then you take it apart and instead work on it.
Well, you know.
Cylinder heads. What's my bore?
Is it 4?
What's the bore on my bike? 3.5 or 3 5/8. 3 5/8? Yeah, I know that. But like, it's got 3.5 and they got 3 5/8.
3.5 is stock.
80 inch. They're probably 3 5/8.
How much are the heads?
Big block heads are $1,600. And 4 S&S engine,